Hey everybody, back again. I know it's been a while, but I've got another Wish app find. This one is supposed to be a shift knob from Wish. Actually came really quick because this one was actually fulfilled out of a place here in Kentucky, Hebron, which is northern Kentucky. So this one is for the Civic, which I do still have. I don't drive it often, but it's a knife here. Let's open this up and see what we got. There we go. There it is. Looks pretty cool. Got the little adapters to fit it in. Comes in nice packaging. And let's get a good look at that. Appears to be real carbon fiber. Nice packaging. It's got a really good weight to it. Feels good, so nice. I'll put it up here what I paid. I think it was maybe $12, so not bad. Looks pretty cool. Hop outside here and see how it looks in the car. Okay, so in the car, just going to unscrew the old knob. Pretty good motion, huh? There we go. And this one doesn't fit, so we'll have to use one of the adapters for it. And just looking, this one looks way too small. Yep. Do one of these. Nope. There it is. Wasn't holding my mouth right. That should let me screw that. Yeah. Screw that right on. There it is. Looks good. Now, I mean, that's got to be like 15 horsepower, right? So, good looking knob, easy to install. Comes with the adapters you need. So, I like it. I'll definitely be keeping that. And heck, I may order another one for next car I get. Looks cool. I like it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.